Happy morning, students. Valga Valamudan. Yes. Listen, dears. Today, geography, fourth chapter, that is agriculture. We already saw why agriculture is important and three economic activities which is involved in the transformation of the raw materials, from the raw materials to the finished products. Okay. That is primary activities, secondary activities and tertiary activities that we saw, and also why the agriculture is important for us and types of farming, subsistence farming, commercial farming we completed. Okay. Yes, before we go to the agricultural development, because the previous session for you is types of farming, subsistence farming and commercial farming. Shall we go a small video for that? Yes, children. Please you wait. Yes. Agriculture was the important activities for us. Yes, sir. Yes. We got vegetables, flowers and cattle rearing, everything from the agriculture only. Okay. So, this is the map shown here, the agriculture. Okay. Yes. India is an agricultural country. Okay. Our agriculture is depending upon the monsoon and the fertile soil, everything. Yes, I already told farming can be classified into two. Okay. Yes, you see. The first, plow with the cattle. Okay. Then second one is the tractor. Okay, that is, this one is subsistence farming and commercial farming. Here the subsistence farming, wait, yes, the subsistence farming again classified into primitive subsistence and intensive subsistence. That primitive is shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. That is, another one is intensive subsistence farming. Then commercial is commercial plantation and what? Another two is there, plantations and commercial grains crops. Okay, grains growing. Okay, these. What is called primitive subsistence farming? Yes. It is practiced on small plots of land. It no need more machineries power and also laborers. They doing with the small simple tools. Okay, the digging sticks. Yes, listen, how the people doing the subsistence farming. I explained you already, but you can see the video also. This is shifting cultivation. Okay? Yes. Slash and burn. Yes. Yes. So first they clear the forest and they burn the trees, then slash and burn. Okay. But normally this type of shifting cultivation is practiced in the thick forest area. In our India, Meghalaya and Assam, usually it is in the Western countries, South America, okay, South America and other Africa also. Yes, these places, Dipa in Chhattisgarh and Yes, Bewar or Dahiya in the Madhya Pradesh, Podu and Penda in Andhra Pradesh area. Pamadabi or Koman or Bringa in the Odisha state. Then Kumari in Karnataka and other places. Valor or Valshore in Rajasthan areas. And Kill in the Himalayan regions, that is in the Uttar Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh and Jammu Kashmir. Kurwa, it is in the Jharkhand. The nomadic herding means the people not settle in one places. They are moved from one place to another place. Okay, they are farming in one place. If that place, that fertile, the soil lose its fertile means they move to the another place. That is nomadic farming. Okay, see, that is cattle rearing. See, they are taken their cattle to the another places. Okay, children. Yeah, and goats also use, yes, in the nomadic rearing. Intensive subsistence farming. Next is intensives. It practiced in the areas where large amount of grasslands is present. Okay, children, because it is only for the purpose of business, commercial, trade. Okay. Yes, they used the chemicals, fertilizers and organic fertilizers also. Yes, in commercial farming, they are sold in the market. The products they are selling in the market. Okay. Yes, they are using, see, here they are using more chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and they used huge machineries also. Is plantations, where and all present here in the Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, coffee which is in Tamil Nadu and rubber in Kerala and Tamil Nadu and sugarcane in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh, plantain, that is plantain grove, banana trees. These are in India we grown for commercial purpose. Okay, but in our book they given only the wheat in the American states. Okay, here they sugarcane, plantation, plantain grove and everything. Okay, children, I hope you understand through this. Please you wait. Yes. Welcome back, dears. So we completed that is intensive crop system. Intensive subsistence farming and commercial and also the primitive. Okay. Now please give attention for the agricultural development. Agricultural development, it refers to efforts made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of the increasing population. So to meet the demand for the population, increasing populations, we should produce our own food products, agricultural products. Then increase in agricultural production through the introduction of better technologies. Okay, we want to use more technologies. Then facilities and methods to fulfill the growing demand of the population. These are the main points. Please you note it. Mechanization of agriculture is also another aspect of agricultural development, using more machineries. Then agriculture is practiced in different parts of the world. In developing countries with large population, that is intensive agriculture is usually practiced. Where, in which countries? In these countries, crops are grown on small holding mostly for subsistence. Then commercial agriculture is practiced on large holdings in countries like USA, Canada and Australia. Yes children, please you wait, we will continue in the next 15 minutes.